Hey students, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel, City. So I got so many requests to update the sample question, that is essay questions for 24th April 2021 real IELTS test. So this video is regarding writing task to prediction, that is sample questions, essay questions under each topic for your test. So this is for both academic and gender module, and you please note that you will not get to the question as like this, but I can assure you that you will get to the question under these topics only. So try to go through these topics. So let's check out with the first question under food and health. Nowadays, people are consuming more and more sugar based drinks. Why do they do so? Suggest measures to solve the problem. It's coming under problem solution essay. You want to write the reasons behind this trend, and also you need to suggest some solutions too. The second topic, education. Some people think that the government should decide which subject students should study at the university, while others think that students should be allowed to apply for the subject they prefer. Discuss both views and give your opinion. You want to discuss about both these arguments, both these views in different body paragraph. And in third body paragraph, it's better to add your own opinion with proper explanation. Moving on to the next topic, world issues. The gap between the rich and the poor is becoming wider. The rich are getting richer and poor even more poor. What problems can this situation cause, and suggest some solutions? So it's always they will ask about the generation gap and also the gap between the rich and the poor coming under these world issues or these social issues and all. So try to collect some problems under this topic, and in this question you can see you need to write the causes and also the solution. Next topic, globalization or modernization related to work. Some people believe that women should play an equal role as men in a country's police force or military force, such as the army, while others think women are not suitable for this kind of job. Discuss both views and give your opinion. So it's coming under gender discrimination also. So you need to discuss both the side along with your opinion. Next topic, government and economy. In many countries, governments spend a large amount of money on improving internet access. Why is it happening? Do you think it is most appropriate use of government money? It's coming under direct question, that is two-part essay. You need to answer for both the question in two different body paragraph, and third body is not mandatory. If you have more points means you can add third body too. Next topic, children and youngsters. Some people say that parents should organize free time activities for their children. Others say children should be free to choose what they do in their free time or the leisure time. Discuss both views and opine, that means state your opinion. So there is a lot of chance to get a discussion along with opinion type essay, so you need to concentrate on its structure and all. Okay, next topic, art and culture. Many people regard films as less important form of art than literature and painting. Do you agree or disagree? It's coming under opinion type essay, that also one-sided opinion essay. Either you can agree or you can disagree and give reasons for that. Next topic, advertising. There is an increasing amount of advertising directed at the children, which encourages them to buy goods such as toys and snacks. Many parents are worried that this advertisement put too much pressure on children, while some advertisers claim that they provide useful information to children. Discuss both views and give your opinion. That means about the parents' view and also about the advertiser's view. And along with that, try to add your own opinion in the third body paragraph with proper explanation. You can side any particular view or you can be in balance. Moving on to the next topic, work and money. There are some motives for people to work. Some people think money is the most important. Do you agree or disagree? So either you can agree or you can disagree with this statement, and try to give proper reasons behind your point of view with examples. Next topic, government role. So you can expect more questions related to government role in the coming months. Some people think that government should pay for healthcare and education, but others claim that it is the individual responsibility. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Same like you need to add first and second body related to the views and third body with your opinion. Then the next topic, materialism. It has been suggested that everyone in the world wants to own a car, a TV, and a fridge. Do you think the disadvantages of such a development outweigh the advantages? So it's coming under discussion type essay and also in the form of outweigh type. So here you need to give more importance towards the disadvantages of material possession. Moving on to the next topic, celebrities and youngsters. Nowadays, young people are admiring media and sports stars even though they do not set a good example. Do you think this is a positive or a negative development? It's coming under opinion type essay, so either you can set it as a positive development or a negative development, or you can be in balance. It have both positive and negative side. Then explain regarding that. It's not coming under discussion. Okay. Next topic, education and technology. In developing countries, rural children have less access to education. Some people say that the problem can be solved by providing schools and teachers. Others say that computers and internet should be provided. Discuss both sides and give your opinion. Next topic, consumerism. People's shopping habit depend more on the age group they belong to than other factors. To what extent do you agree or disagree? It's coming under to what extent. That means balanced opinion type essay. So you need to write about the agreement and also about the disagreement side. Next topic, about work. Some people say that no one should do the same job forever, while others believe that doing the same job is beneficial for the individual, company, and society. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Next topic, related to education. Some people think that to be successful, you need to get in a university education, that is tertiary level education, whereas others say it is not true. Discuss both ideas and give your own opinion. So here also you need to discuss about both the side and also try to give your opinion in the third body paragraph with proper explanation. Next topic, computer and technology. Today, many children spend a lot of time playing computer games and less time on sports. Why? Is it a positive or a negative development? So, try to answer the question in a complete way. You need to answer for the question why. What are the reasons behind that in the first body paragraph? Then you can continue with the second part of the question. Is it a positive or a negative development? Either you can set it as a positive or you can set it as a negative. If you think that it have both side means you can write like that too. It have both positive and negative side. Moving on to the next topic, globalization. Nowadays, people live in a society where consumer goods are cheaper to buy. Do you think its advantages outweigh the disadvantages? It's also coming under outweigh type of question in discussion type. So here you need to give more importance towards the advantages. Okay. Then next topic, related to family. In recent years, the family has changed as well as family roles. Why is this happening and is this situation positive or negative? So here also you need to give the reasons for that. Then you can comment it as a positive or negative with proper explanation. Next topic, technologies and medias. More and more people are using computers and other electronic devices to access information. So printing of books, magazine and newspapers should not be done. That means we don't want any type of printed medias. Do you agree or disagree with this? So either you can agree or you can disagree and give proper reasons for that. At least you need to give two reasons in two different body paragraph. Next topic, housing and building. In some cities, there are few controls on the design, construction of homes, office buildings, and the owners can decide on the styles of their houses. Do the advantages of this outweigh its drawback? So here also outweigh type of question coming under discussion type. So here you need to give more importance towards the advantages. So better to add two body paragraph for advantages and one single body paragraph for disadvantages. Next topic, music. Some people think music plays an important role in society. Others think it is simply a form of entertainment. Discuss both the argument and give your own opinion. So nowadays they are asking so much questions related to this traditional and also the international music in case of speaking too. Next topic, sports and games. Holding international games such as Olympic Games is an exciting event. Some people think it has positive effects while others argue it as a waste of money. Discuss both sides and give your own opinion. So it's very common to ask the questions related to sports, games and also exercise related to health and all. Next topic, history and culture. It is more important for school children to learn local history than world history. To what extent do you agree or disagree? It's also coming under balanced opinion type essay. Next topic, related to health and exercises. Health experts believe that walking is a good exercise for health. However, people are walking less nowadays. Why is this happening? That means what all are the reasons behind that? And how can people be encouraged to work more? What all are the solutions? It's coming under problem solution essay. Next topic, environment. Some people say that too much attention and resources are given to protect wild animals and birds. To what extent do you agree or disagree with this statement? It's also coming under one sided opinion essay. So you can expect the questions related to environment, extinction of animals, or related to biodiversity and all. Next topic, technologies. The use of mobile phones should be banned in public spaces such as libraries, transportation, and shops. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So, here also coming under balanced opinion type essay. Next topic, transportation. People have to spend more and more time to travel from their homes for job and study. What are the reasons and how we can solve this problem? It's coming under problem solution essay. You need to write about the causes for this trend and also the solution for this. Next topic, work and travel. Some students take 1 year off between finishing school and going to university in order to travel or work. Do you think advantages outweigh the disadvantages? So here also you need to give more attention towards the advantages and write the advantages in two different body paragraph and disadvantages in single body paragraph in the third body paragraph. Next topic, society and social issues. Some people think that in the modern society, individuals are becoming more dependent on each other, while others say that individuals are becoming more independent of each other. Discuss both views and give your opinion. So you need to discuss both the side and state your opinion in the third body paragraph with explanation. Next topic, language and skills. People believe that not all school children have the natural ability to learn a new language. This means it is not right to force all school children to study a foreign language. Do you agree or disagree? It's coming under one sided opinion essay. So try to collect some points under each topic, some opposing and some supporting points. Then you can write any type of essay. So, all the very best for your test date. Try to practice well and don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon nearby to get notification. And if you like means, please give thumbs up and share with your friends who are planning to take IELTS test. So thank you so much and stay tuned. God bless you.